Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best wall mount range hood you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with video. Number 1. Winflo 30-in. Stainless steel wall mount range hood. The Winflo 30-in is a premium stainless steel pick to go for that also ensures pretty highly engineered components for excellent quality. The design speaks elegance and performs pretty well with durability, power, and appeal. The Winflo 30-in comes with a powerful suction operational CFM rating of 400. It also comes with 3 speed levels to choose from depending on your cooking conditions. The provided push buttons are easy to press and much responsive. Also, it includes aluminum mesh filters that don't need replacement. These are removable and also dishwasher safe. You can use 2 LED lights for the illumination feature. At the maximum speed setting, the Winflo 30-in makes the highest 65 decibels noise. The Winflo 30-in also features an adjustable and telescoping chimney. You can adjust it according to ceiling height, which needs to be between 7.5 to 8.5 feet. Also, the Winflo 30-in is a convertible style range hood that will be able to support both your ducted or non-ducted installation wishes. The Winflo 30-in comes with ultra-bright LED lighting that has some strong illumination. Also, it provides pretty strong motor power, maintaining a low noise level. Some may feel that the metal is a bit flimsy for durability, however with proper maintenance it should last you a good amount of time. Number 2. Cosmo 63175's 30-inch wall mount kitchen range hood. A 303 modern European design wall mount range hood that offers an efficient airflow capacity of 380 CFM. The soft touch digital push control brings cutting-edge technology straight to your kitchen to offer you comfort and ease. It comes with arc flow permanent filters that are dishwasher safe and are highly durable. You can also convert the range hood to ductless by switching to the optional carbon filters. You get a 3-speed exhaust fan with the range hood, so you can choose from low, medium, and high suction for various kinds of cooking and food items. The hood features energy-efficient 2W LED bright lights, giving you great visibility in your cooking area at night. The noise level of the range hood is only 65 decibels, that makes your cooking experience more joyful. Maximum power consumption is 120 volts. Especially if you have an open kitchen, you need one of these wall mount range hoods over your kitchen range so that your cooking doesn't affect the rest of your family. This range hood has a maximum airflow of 760 cubic feet per minute but only makes less than 65 decibels of noise. With 3 speed levels to choose from, this range hood is only 6-inch long and fits any compact kitchen, as the ductless range hood will send all your smoke and odor outside the house through a hole in the wall. The permanent stainless steel filters can be both easily removed, washed under running water with a brush and soap so that you won't have to replace the filters ever again. 2 matching filters side by side sucks in everything with powerful airflow so that no odor or smoke can escape into your home again. Number 3. Cosmo 63175 30-in wall mount range hood. In a modern European design, this is a 30-inch wide wall mount range hood that can very effectively clean any kind of smoke, odor, steam, heat, and grease from your kitchen, keeping your whole house clean and smoke-free. Especially if you have an open kitchen, you need one of these wall mount range hoods over your kitchen range so that your cooking doesn't affect the rest of your family. This range hood has a maximum airflow of 760 cubic feet per minute but only makes less than 65 decibels of noise. With 3 speed levels to choose from, this range hood is only 6-inch long and fits any compact kitchen, as the ductless range hood will send all your smoke and odor outside the house through a hole in the wall. The permanent stainless steel filters can be both easily removed, washed under running water with a brush and soap so that you won't have to replace the filters ever again. 2 matching filters side by side sucks in everything with powerful airflow so that no odor or smoke can escape into your home again. Easy-to-reach buttons at the front lets you choose the airflow, turn on the LED overhead light for cooking, and turn off the range hood. Number 4. Cosmo 63190 36-in wall mount range hood. The Cosmo 63190 is one pick that comes with a style statement creating look plus some amazing standard air clearing abilities within the budget requirements. The Cosmo 63190 comes with a suction power of 380 cfm. And this rating is enough to handle a kitchen's harmful pollutant elimination needs with pretty ease. The noise level at max has been kept at 65 decibels, which isn't very loud, but with high settings, it could be noticeable. There are permanent filters available with Cosmo 63190 and you don't need to replace them. These are maintainable with regular cleaning after capturing grease and elements. The filters are made from high-quality stainless steel material to provide good durability plus functioning. You can control the powers as well as enjoy a 3-speed setting with the push-button controls provided. These buttons come with illumination as well that will help you to use controls even in a slightly dark environment. Also, the included LED lighting is a great way to have some energy-saving solutions in the kitchen. It creates enough brightness to observe the cooking spot even in a dark situation. For the price point, the Cosmo 63190 is surely a fantastic heavy stainless steel baffle pick to try. The installation won't be difficult, and it also scores well with the brightness and speed settings. The two pieces of the chimney are however seeming to be off-matching. Number 5. CIARRA CAS 75502 glass vent hood, wall mount range hood 30-inch. This is an alluring 303 stainless steel range hood that offers 450 cfm airflow with a powerful motor that removes all the unwanted smell and odor from your kitchen. It comes with durable tempered glass, which is easy to clean. The range hood features 2 aluminum mesh filters to capture the grease, smoke, and heat effectively. You can also convert the range hood to ductless with optional CACF003 carbon filters. The soft touch control comes with a 3-speed exhaust fan for different cooking needs. The vent provides ultra-quiet operation, and the noise level is less than 8.5 sounds at the highest speed. This model is a great alternative for medium-sized kitchens, around 18 meters too, since it has a very interesting extraction power of 550 meters 3-hour that can also be regulated in 3 levels of intensity. The width of the extractor is 60 centimeters, so it fits most standard size plates. Regarding its dimensions, you must bear in mind that for its installation you need a space above the stove of between 65 and 75 centimeters, depending on whether it is a glass ceramic hob or a butane stove. It is also important that you make sure that there is enough space to place the chimney flue, which has an adjustable height between 53.3 and 91.3 centimeters. The quality of the assembly and its soundproofing system must be highlighted with a maximum noise emission of only 65 decibels that is practically imperceptible. Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.